These days, I don't create many Excel spreadsheets anymore. I have better things to do than put data into tables. I now have someone who does that for me, Copilot. Ever since Copilot took over this part of my job, I've had much more time for tasks that actually matter. And honestly, that makes my job a lot more enjoyable, believe me. And I want to make your work more meaningful too. Choose a topic you find interesting. For example, the revenue of certain companies you look up to. Ask Copilot to find that information online and put it into an Excel spreadsheet. Want the website, CEO, and LinkedIn page included as well? Ask Copilot for a second version with that added information. It really is that simple, even when you're working with internal documents from your organization. Because Copilot is part of your organization, all sensitive files stay safely within your company's environment. So go ahead and ask Copilot to turn your revenue report into a clean Excel spreadsheet, including all the relevant data it needs. And try it for real, seriously, because you've got more important things to do than spend your time on making tables all day.
Help your team work smarter with Microsoft 365. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow us on LinkedIn. See you next time!